Welcome back to Bookie and Cookie's Comic Club, and today we will be doing Sad and Worried. Starting off with Sad. Upside down smiley face. I'm so sad. Now for Worried. You've got to do a sort of squiggly line mouth. Sort of worried, like trembling. And if you want to make it even better, you can draw little squiggly lines outside the face to make it, and all outside the body to make it look like he's trembling all over. He's trembling because he's so worried. So worried. Thank you for watching, and come back for our next How to Draw lesson. Bye!